Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today you will see how to crochet unusual flower. For work I will use 1.4mm crochet hook and 3 balls of yarn. In your case it could be 1 or 2. Let's get started crocheting. This flower made in 3D crochet technique. Let's crochet the flower. I will begin from the middle part or from the center. Make a chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and join the chain in the round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. My foundation ring is ready. Continue. Then chain of 4 to bring up the yarn. Instead of first treble crochet, yarn over the hook twice to work with treble crochet and make 5 treble crochet into the ring. While I'm making the first one, I remove a long piece of yarn. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Well done. Then I turn the work like this, and to complete this round, insert the hook into the 4th chain stitch. I fold my stitches, insert the hook, and make a slip stitch. It's gonna be the center of the flower. I continue working. Let's crochet the volume. Chain of 3 to bring up the yarn. Instead of first double crochet, make 5 double crochet. Work into each stitch. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. To complete this round, work with a slip stitch into the 3rd chain stitch. Work with the 3rd chain stitch. Insert the hook and make a slip stitch. I continue working on my flower. Make chain of 3 to bring up the yarn. Instead of first double crochet, yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the same stitch, make double crochet. Then double crochet into the same stitch. 1, 2, 3, turn a little bit, 3, 4, 5. To complete this round, insert the hook into the 3rd chain stitch at the beginning of this round by making a slip stitch. My round is ready. Then I will change the color of yarn. And I continue working with the middle part of the flower. I'm changing color of yarn. Now I join it. I remove the last stitch. And now I would like to join new color of yarn. Grab the new color of yarn, pull it through, pull it, chain of 3 to bring up the yarn. Instead of first double crochet, yarn over the hook and double crochet into the same stitch that I worked before. I skip the next stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, make 2 double crochet, 1, 2, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the second stitch, make 2 double crochet, 1, 2. So I'm going to work with petals in this space. I continue working, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the second stitch, make 2 double crochet, 1, 2. Then skip the next stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, make double crochet twice. Continue 1, 2. I skip the next stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, make double crochet twice. 1, 2. Continue. Insert the hook into the third chain stitch at the beginning of this round by making a slip stitch. Here what I have at this point. Then I'm going to do a row of double crochet. Make chain of 3 to bring up the yarn and make double crochet into the each stitch of the previous row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. This is the last one. I will remove yarns later. To complete this round, insert the hook into the third chain stitch at the beginning of this round by making a slip stitch. Insert the hook. I insert the hook into 2 loops, make a slip stitch. My round is ready. Let's crochet the last round of my center of the flower. It is going to be a round of single crochet with picot. Make chain, make single crochet, then chain of 3 for the picot and work with a slip stitch into 2 loops of the single crochet, then single crochet and single crochet and picot, chain of 3 for the picot and work with a slip stitch into 2 loops of the single crochet, then single crochet, chain of 3 for the picot and work with a slip stitch into 2 loops of the single crochet, Keep working this way till the end of this round, then I will show you how to complete it. Once I have done 12 single crochet with picot, let's complete this round. I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the first single crochet, make a slip stitch. To complete the central part by making a chain, you should remove the yarn along the stitches on the back side. This is the middle part of the flower. Let's crochet a round of petals. They are free spaces that I'm going to work with. I insert the hook like this. I put it upside down. Grab the new color of yarn, pull it through. You should choose your favorite colors of yarn, or you can choose one color of yarn. It depends on your mood. Make a chain, pull it. Make single crochet. Make a chain of 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Well done. Then chain more for transition part. Insert the hook into the second chain stitch away from the hook. Make single crochet. Then half double crochet. Then double crochet through the next stitch. And make double crochet through the next chain stitch. Make 3 treble crochet in a row. 1, 2, 3. Well done. 2 double crochet in a row. 1 and 2. Then half double crochet and single crochet. Continue. I skip this stitch, insert the hook into the free space, insert the hook into the free stitch and make single crochet. Like this. First petal is ready. Let's crochet the next one. I continue working on my flower. Make chain of 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then chain more and work with different tall stitches. Single crochet into the second chain stitch, then half double crochet and so on. In total it should be 6 of them. Once I have done the last petal, I remind you this is the flower in 3D crochet. Let's complete this round with me. I insert the hook into the single crochet, I skip the chain stitch, make a slip stitch, pull it. My round is ready. Now I'm going to work with round of single crochet. Make a chain, pull it, insert the hook into the chain stitch, make single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Well done. This is the chain stitch for transition part. I insert the hook into this chain stitch, make 3 single crochet. 1, 2, 3. Turn it upside down, work with opposite side, and make single crochet into each stitch of the previous row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Well done. My petal is ready. Work with the next one. I insert the hook into the next petal, insert the hook into the chain stitch. Let's count. Here is my first stitch. 1, 2, 3, and so on. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. Once I have done the trim for all my petals, here how it looks when you are done. And now I show you how to complete my flower. As you can see, I have already cut off my yarn. I insert the hook. I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the first single crochet, make a slip stitch, and to secure the yarn by making a chain. And I just need to remove the yarn along the stitches using the sewing needle or a crochet hook. Let's look what I have done. So that's it, my project is ready. Here how it looks. I remind you, this is cute flowers made in 3D crochet technique. For each flower I am using 3 colors of yarn. You can use 2 or 1. It could be like a separate motif, or it could be decoration. Also, you can create it for the gift to another person, because it looks like a natural flower. Also, it could be like a part of composition. You can add leaves and another motifs to create your own project, and so on. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me in social media, and of course crochet with me and learn more. All additional information about the tools and useful links and another information could be found in the description of each video tutorial. Please visit the description. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time and good luck in crocheting. Bye!